If you guys been looking for a really nice tonneau cover, man, check this one out right here. This is a 3-piece, nice low profile design. Check that out, man. Look how nice and tight that fits right there. So I got this one for my 2021 GMC Sierra. They do have a bunch of different ones to choose from. So you got seals right here on the back. You got some over there on the front. Right there off the channel, it does have these little tubes that run off of it. They go right into the little holes over there in the bottom of your bed floor, so that water runs right off your channels, right out of the bottom of your bed floor. Super easy to install. It only took me about 15 minutes to put this together. It comes with all your clamps. It's got the clamps right here, so you can go from one side without having to go all the way to the other side. Flip that over, nice and easy. Got another one right here. And one of the really cool things is when you got this, you got some straps right there, you can lock it down, but that doesn't block your view. Like most of them, they stick up probably about right there. This thing is super nice, man. Nice and durable, and everything seals up nice and tight. If you guys are looking for one like that, or you know somebody that could use one, man, I'm gonna link them for you right down below where you can find them at.